At Sirius Controls, our mission is to develop profitable environmental solutions to improve your operations. That's why we continuously develop ways to advance and automate control systems for chemical pumps. Cruise, a universal pump control and monitoring system that can be installed or retrofitted on any chemical pump, providing accurate injection, tank levels, and more. Cruise is the ideal solution that allows you to automate and optimize your chemical program. Our product allows easy installation through the mounting kit and an intuitive setup wizard. With the simple step-by-step onboard wizard, it enables users to easily set up, configure, and utilize the system with minimal input. Cruise uses an exclusive, automated self-calibration routine. When ready, simply dial in the required rate and walk away. Cruise runs autonomously to maintain accurate injection rates and further provides tank fluid level readings, flow totalizers, system alarms, and more. When combined with remote monitoring such as Connect or SCADA, operators can now truly manage by exception. Chemical deliveries can be scheduled only when required. Personnel are deployed to site only when problems occur, and chemical is always injected at the desired rates, improving the performance and safety of the chemical program. Make managing by exception a part of your bottom line. Get serious about digitizing your assets with Cruise. Talk to our team today for a Cruise demo.